Let us now look at how do startups should build up their mechanisms that they have automated reporting with respect to the compliance, at least with respect to privacy compliance, because privacy means touching the entire organization, not just a part of the organization. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on privacy, and we are going to talk about automated compliance reporting for startups building dashboards that really work. Why is it important? It is important because you can't take up manual reporting systems. That's practically impossible in these days. Even the young generation won't be able to understand a manual reporting. In any case, if you are able to develop some mechanism of manual reporting, those reportings are slow. It's not as good as fast as you would otherwise want them to be. So you need real-time visibility into compliance. You should be always on the toes that this is my compliance level and this is good or this is bad about it. You should automate dashboards which are faster, and we also make audits smoother, help you save time, help you save cost, help you save your resources. Why compliance reporting is important? Because you need to know what is happening in the organization. And what should it cover? It should cover information like what are the laws and how you map with those laws, DPDP, HIPAA, GDPR, CCPA. Now, HIPAA is not a privacy law, by the way, but HIPAA talks about the patient information, which in itself is taking care of privacy information, privacy healthcare information, privacy patient, basic PIIs. Security frameworks like SOC 2, ISO 27001, internal matrices, access logs, consent records, these are privacy important factors. And even security has a lot to do with privacy because to make sure that privacy is taken care of, security has to be implemented properly. Help prepare audit ready evidence. That's what the automated compliance reporting does for you. What are the key matrices that you should track? You should track how is the data flowing and whatever mapping that you had done. Was it complete? Is it being reviewed regularly? Is it accurate? Is the data flowing the way it is supposed to be? What is the consent mechanism? What are user preferences? So what are consent management tools? And consent is a big topic, especially for the DPDP Act. How is it taken? Is it granular? Is it free? Was the purpose explained properly? Where is it stored? Is everything well protected, including role-based access and redundancy in storage? The status of the assessments, PIAs and DPIAs, data breach detection, if there is a breach, the incident response time that is being handled. These are important matrices, right? That's where you improve from. Lesser number of incidents, quick response to incidents, vendor compliance scores, third-party risks that are being covered. What are the implementation blueprint? Begin with key regulations like DPDP and GDPR. Integrate automation into your existing stack, which is very, very important. Run pilot reports for your highest risk areas. Assign ownership. Assign ownership to each and every part of your organization. Legal, tech, privacy leads. At least these three people have to work together. The legal tells you the real law. The privacy leads tell how does it impact with respect to privacy, and tech helps you implement and ensure that you are getting good reports, good dashboards, and you are always ready with the right information with yourself. Keep your dashboards live and updated 24/7. That means any change happening, whether it's in mapping, whether it's in consent, and with respect to consent, for example, there are a lot of mechanisms how you collect consents. There's a lot of mechanisms how you might collect the data also, right? Manual purchase of data on your own website, your third parties working through you, the ERPs and CRMs. They should all stay in sync, both in terms of data flow as well as in terms of consent management. As an implementation tip, you should start with free dashboard before going into a big, large enterprise setup. Automate your breach notification and consent reports. And breach notification means if there's something wrong or appears to be something wrong, then you should immediately notify and also with your consent reports. Map the reporting to the business and for leadership fine so that the leadership is ready, the business people are ready. Use these dashboards to track the vendor's performance. How is the vendor doing and how is it he expected to perform, and is there improvement in his performance or not, right? And finally, treat your reporting also as a growth enabler because that's what is telling you what is happening with respect to privacy in your organization. It's not just a compliance check mark. So that's about automated compliance reporting for startups with respect to privacy. I hope you liked the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback.